So let me fight with these police members. Okay, you see that what just happened? They just shoot with their RPGs on them. Everybody, you can see smoke there. This is like chaos, emergency in whole Los Santos. You can see fire over there too. Yeah, you can see here. See, this man is taking TV to his home because this is a chaos and everybody leaving this place. So hello everybody, welcome back to the incredible GTA San Andreas game cheat code series. So in this series I will provide you the top 5 best cheat codes according to me, and I will guarantee you will amazed after seeing all the cheat codes, and I will guarantee that also you haven't seen these cheat codes in any other YouTube videos. So let's continue with the cheat codes, but I will tell you I will not provide cheat code directly on the screen. I will show in the mid of video or any other place of the video, but not at the instant, because that's why you will skip. So I will provide the cheat code, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's continue. So you ever heard how to make gangs in this game? So you can make gangs, but you can make only if you pass the certain missions, but I will tell you this is not the truth. You can make gangs in the middle. Let me type the cheat code and I will show you how to make gang. So first you have to type the cheat code, then you will aim any of the members and press G. See that this man having a RPG in his hand. I can take this, this also. She has also a RPG. I can take every member. She's still getting, she also have an RPG in his hand. So let me fight with these police members. Okay, you see that what just happened? They just shoot with their RPGs on them. These two girl power girls, let me fight with. Oh, what can I do with them? These are NPCs, so they just fought with each other and killed each other. Let me fight with these members, Balas members. Okay, my gang, fire upon them. You can see that they are just killing, man. So this is the very great cheat. You can make gang members as many as you can. Here I have 2. They are just firing on Balas members. So let me get out of this. So this is the first cheat code. Let me tell you the cheat code video. So the cheat code is Rocket Mayhem. It's spelled as ROCKETMAYHEM. So this is the basic cheat code to make the gang. So let me go to the second cheat code. And this cheat code is will definitely amaze you again. So I again entered the cheat code. In this cheat code, what happened? Everybody in this world start fighting with each other. You can see that everybody, they are like getting out of their cars, running here and there. All are trying to fight with me. I have gun. Everybody, you can see smoke there. This is like chaos, emergency in whole Los Santos. You can see fire over there too. You can see everyone is like police chopper and everyone is fighting. Let me show you the people's how they are behaving right now. So let me find a place where more person. See, whole RPGs and everything. Nobody is in their car. Everybody left. So this cheat code is basically to make chaos. So this is the place where everybody most likely to be here. This is a place. Yeah, you can see here. See, this man is taking TV to his home because this is a chaos and everybody leaving this place. See, everybody is running opposite to the city. And everything is like burnt. Everything is full of chaos and people are fighting with me. Why? Because I made this situation in this world. So the cheat code for this trick of this chaos, it's IOJUFZN. I repeated again, IOJUFZ again, FZN. So if you can't able to retain or can't able to listen properly, I will make you to do this cheat codes. I will make sure you can use this. I will provide you another place to get this cheat codes, but first you have to watch the full video. So coming up to the third trick. So third cheat code is like a bit different. Let me go some another place, otherwise they will kill me. Okay, so this is a quiet place. So next cheat I will type. So another, once again cheat activate. So in this time, what happens here? Everybody in this place, they all have guns right now in there. They are not my team gang members. Instead, I showed you gun with my team members. But here, everybody have guns. See that this person died. He has still a gun. Everybody has a gun. She had a gun in his hand. Everybody has guns and RPGs. Like whole world is on fire. Everybody is fighting with each other. Why? This is a cheat code where it's chaos right now, but I will provided gun to each and every person in this game. You can see this. They have shotguns. Everyone, see this man, he is shooting from air, his gun in his hand, but they are running from me because I am the person who leads to this chaos. See that lady, let mess with her. Okay, she will not fight with me, but these persons definitely. So this is the basic trick. You can use this cheat code. Let me tell you what's the cheat code for this. So this is AJLOJYQY. I repeat it again, AJLOJYQY. So let me go to another place, otherwise they all kill me here. All are fighting like hell, man. See that all are firing on each other, each having RPGs. Everybody is like shooting. See this grandma. What's the problem, man? Okay, let me run and go up to the, I think this is the fourth cheat code I provided. Let me check. Yeah, this is the third one. Let me go for the fourth one. So in basic, you can see that how much height you can jump. Like this is the basic height. But what can I say you, that if you can jump more higher than this, not by your legs, you can use bicycle to jump like that. Let me show you. Let me first spawn a bicycle for myself. So this is the bicycle. Let me go far away from them. Okay, so this is the bicycle. Let me type the cheat code. So now I written the cheat code. In this, what happened, I showed you that you can jump. Okay, sorry, my fault. I will show you that how higher you can jump with just a bicycle. Okay, so let's try to jump. Okay, so you can see that how high can jump. Okay, so you need a little practice to do these kind of shits, but I will guarantee you will learn fast because you are my subscribers. So see that how far they can jump, literal. Again I will try because it's quite hard to handle this bicycle because I am recording and using both my hands. Okay, let me jump once again. See that how high you can jump. Let me show you from another side. See that how far you can jump in this game. And let me use this in running. Okay. See, you can jump up to like the trees. Yeah. See how high you can jump. See, it's very good trick. So let's move to the last trick. I know if you liked any of them trick, because these tricks are very rare and nobody knows about them. So this is the last trick I will show you, and first of all I will tell you what's the cheat code. I forgot. So the cheat code is CJ Phone Home. So it's spelled as CJPHONEHOME, CJ Phone Home. So this is the time to tell you that if you watched this time, you are at here at this timestamp, I will tell you that the each and every cheat code is in description. If you forgot any of them, this is in order wise in the description. You can check from there. So let me tell you the next cheat code. So this cheat code is for, like, I have to run from here because everything is chaos right now. So this cheat code is for car or any bike. First I will write the cheat code. See there, this old man is just firing with shotguns. See that, what a chaos in this place. So this is the cheat code last right here. Can I use this bike? Yes, I can use this bike. So in this cheat code, you, if you touch any of the vehicle, see that, you saw that, just you saw that, you touch any vehicle, it's get just blast because it's a cheat code. You have to just touch any of the vehicle and you will just blast them. See that, how can I blast each and every bicycle, every vehicle, and you, the thing is, you can't be blasted by any of them. This is the main good point for this cheat codes. Let me check you another time touching this car. Okay. Ah, shit, I forgot to enter the cheat code again, but I will tell you the cheat code. So the cheat code is this for JCNRUAD. You can use this cheat code, and if you didn't remember the cheat codes, you can just check out my description. These are top 5 cheat codes nobody tell you. And if you want more tips and tricks video, not just tips and tricks and cheat code videos, the full gameplay of another games, you can just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and comment which trick you didn't know, and I helped you to know this tricks. So thanks for watching. I will meet you in next video. Hope sure you like the video and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye. See that homies button, you are my homies. Bye bye.